Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Learn PC with Sineth YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the first tutorial. It's from MS Word. Firstly, I opened MS Word. If you need to open, you can go to the start button and here you can see in W Word. If you need another way, you can search in here like this Word. After that, here you can see Word is coming. You should double click on it, or in here you should click open. Next, before you begin creating documents in Word, you want to set up your Word environment and become familiar with key tasks such as how to minimize, maximize the ribbon, the quick access toolbar, display the ruler, use the word count and zoom tools. Windows 2019 is different from other earlier versions. So if you have used Word before, it should take some time to get with this Word 2019. Okay, in here we will talk firstly about the mouse pointers in Word. No, firstly we will talk about the interface of MS Word. In here, firstly you can see this is the ribbon. This is the ribbon. Here, as you can see, I will draw and show the ribbon here. This is the ribbon. And next we will see, next we will talk about what's this. This is the status bar. This is the status bar. And next we will talk what's this. To talk about that, we will take this somewhat here. And here you can see this is the scroll bar, and here is the view toolbar, and here it is the quick access toolbar, and here is the file tab or backstage. Okay, now we will talk about the mouse pointers in Word. When we are going to type, it's showing like this. Here you can see like a I letter, and when we are choosing for choose items like this we look. I'll show it. Here you can see I will add the picture firstly. This device. Here we'll add this picture, and here you can see. Here you can see this is the choosing items. It's the standard 11 o'clock mouse pointer, and another one is there that is for selecting lines of text. As you can see, it's the 1 o'clock pointer, mouse pointer, and here are many views. This is reading view, this is a normal view, and this is online view. This is the web layout. This is read mode. This is print layout. Okay, now we will start. Next, we will see what's Word. Word is a word processor that allows you to create various types of documents. We will talk about the ribbon now. In the ribbon, there are a group of commands. Several groups are there. Here, clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing, and there you can see all. We should click on the command to do something, such as we will type C with Sineth, and after that we should select it, and if we click on this, it's becoming bold. If you click on this, it's becoming italic, and if you select this, it's been underlined here, as you can see. Okay, next we will see each tab will have one or more groups, and if you need to see more commands, you can click on this: mailing, review, view, help preferences, design layout. Some groups have an arrow which can be used to add more options. Here as this I will do. In the font group there is a small arrow for side. You can click on that and get more options here like this. And also we'll talk what's this. This is the icon to collapse the ribbon. That means hide the ribbon like this. And next we will again take it down. In here you should click here, and after show tabs and commands like that, you should press on that. After that we will see we can customize the ribbon too. To do that, right click on the ribbon, and after that in there customize the ribbon. Then pop-up is opening. If you need to create a new tab, you can click on new tab. Here you can see new tab, and there also you can select, and after that okay, I'm not doing it. And next we will talk about Backstage View. To go to Backstage View, you should go to File, and here you can see many things. Here info, protect document, inspect document, like that things are there. Backstage View gives you various options for saving, opening a file, printing or sharing a document. It is similar to the Office button menu from Word 2007. And okay, now we will see what's the quick access toolbar. To see that, you should again go to here, and here you can see this is the quick access toolbar. You can customize the quick access toolbar by adding things we need. Here quick print also we can add. If we need to remove, we can remove also after again clicking it. Okay, now we will see. Here you can see and after that next we will talk about how to create a new or blank document. You should go to File. After that in there new. In new you can choose blank document, and here from here you can see online templates are also there. You can select from online templates also, and after that click on that blank document, double click, then it's opening automatically. Okay, next we will see about the how to open an existing document. You should click the File tab, and after that select Open here, and open. You should click on Browse, and here I have make one docs. And that's how to open existing document. And these are the things on today I am going to talk. And thank you for watching this video. I will come with another tutorial video from another 2-3 days. Goodbye, stay safe. This is Learn PC with Sineth YouTube channel. Stay safe.